Point at the map and we'll get there somehow.
You're watching Chef Club. Follow our account for more ideas.
We're making it count. Doing what we can to show them who we are now. Okay. Yeah. Let's show them what we're made of. Let's show them who we are. Okay. Yeah. Don't aim for the clouds. We gotta shoot for the stars. We got tonight. Yeah. We got tonight. We got it going on and we're feeling alright. This is our time. Okay, now is our time. We're doing what we want and we're feeling alright. Yeah. Oh. We got it going on and we're feeling alright. Yeah. Oh. We're doing what we want and we're feeling alright. Let's make the most, show the world who we are. We're never looking back because we made it this far. Don't have to stop, never listen to them. If they don't like the water, then they don't have to swim. We got tonight, yeah, we got tonight. We got it going on and we're feeling alright. This is our time, okay, now is our time. We're doing what we want and we're feeling alright. Yeah. Oh. We got it going on and we're feeling alright. Yeah. Oh. We're doing what we want and we're feeling alright. We'll show the world who we are. 'Cause yeah, we made it this far. Show the world who we are. 'Cause yeah, we made it this far. We got tonight. Yeah, we got tonight. We got it going on and we're feeling alright. This is our time. Okay, now is our time. We're doing what we want and we're feeling alright. Yeah. Oh. We got it going on and we're feeling alright.
powder here. Let's see what we have inside. It's our bread dough. Now I'm going to take a simple box cutter and we're going to start making incisions into our dough. Now starting on this side, we're going to make small incisions in the interior. And we're going to come back with the scissors. Can you tell what we're making now? Little Christmas trees. And we're going to continue around our bread. And it's okay if it doesn't open up right away. The bread is going to rise in the oven and it's going to push open these little incisions. We're going to slowly slide our dough. We're going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now I've got a great tip for you. When you want to cut the top of your brie, you can place a string around it and pull very gently. We're going to take our cheese with us. We're going to place our brie here. I have my bread and we're going to start cutting. Now we're going to lift out the center. Some olive oil here. We're just going to do a quick drizzle. Now we're going to place our brie in the center. Just going to push it right in there. We're going to top it with some homemade cranberry sauce. A couple big spoonfuls in there. We're just going to spread that around. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. We have the middle of our bread here. We've cut it into slices. We're going to save that for later. Now we're going to dispose our bread on our cutting board like this. We're going to kind of put it all together like a little puzzle. Okay, now we've flattened our bread. Now we're just going to cut some strips and we're going to take a little cocktail sausage and we're going to wrap it up like this. I'm going to do the second one. Now we're going to take these over here and to the ones that I've already prepared and we're going to put them into our pan. I have some garlic butter here. We're going to garlic butter all over these. Okay, a little bit more garlic butter. Now we're going to add some parsley. Now our bread is ready. Take it out of the oven. And we're going to slide it carefully. And we're going to start putting these in. Last one here. Now we're going to garnish with some rosemary. Perfect for the season and it also smells amazing. And last but not least, our star on top.